SEZL was created to be a next-generation payments company, providing a digital payments platform that offers a flexible alternative to traditional credit. The company was launched in 2017 and has built a platform that enables consumers to take control of their spending, be more responsible, and gain financial freedom. SEZL states their vision is to create a digital ecosystem that benefits all stakeholders, including merchants, partners, consumers, employees, communities, and investors, while driving ethical and sustainable growth, which is why they're also a public benefit corporation. SEZL became a certified B Corporation in 2021, joining a movement of socially conscious brands that prioritize environmental, social, and governance standards. This certification requires a comprehensive assessment of SEZL's practices and commitment to transparency and accountability. SEZL's B Corporation status aligns with its mission to balance growth and profitability with social responsibility and stakeholder well-being. The company operates in the US and Canada and is exiting operations in India and certain European countries. SEZL's platform offers a payment solution that allows consumers to buy now and pay later in installments. The platform can be integrated into merchants' websites and mobile applications, and consumers can access it through SEZL's app or online dashboard. The platform reviews transactions and consumer profiles in real time, granting a spending limit and providing alternative terms for above-limit purchases. There are features like payment streaks, which rewards consumers for timely payments, and offers promotions and incentives to earn SEZL spend credits that can be used on future orders. SEZL's flagship product is a pay-in-4 plan, where consumers pay 25% of the purchase price upfront and the remaining balance in 3 installments over 6 weeks. The product is generally free to consumers who pay on time, and they can manage their accounts and reschedule payments through the SEZL platform. Late payment fees may be incurred if payments are not made on time, and failed payment fees may be charged if a payment method fails. SEZL typically doesn't report delinquent accounts to credit bureaus, except in cases where consumers participate in SEZL Up. Payment options have expanded to include pay-in-full and pay-in-2 plans. The pay-in-full option allows consumers to pay for their order upfront without credit, providing an express checkout option for existing consumers. The pay-in-2 plan is offered to certain consumers who don't qualify for the pay-in-4 product, where they pay half upfront and the second half in 2 weeks. SEZL also offers customized installment terms with select merchants and has introduced the SEZL Virtual Card, which enables consumers to use the SEZL platform with non-integrated merchants in-store and online, including compatibility with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Some of their premium services are SEZL Premium, SEZL Anywhere, SEZL On Demand, and SEZL Up. SEZL Premium and SEZL Anywhere are paid subscription services that provide benefits such as access to non-integrated merchants, exclusive deals, and cashback rewards. SEZL On Demand allows consumers to use the SEZL platform at any merchant for a finance charge. SEZL Up is an opt-in feature that reports consumers' transactions to credit bureaus, helping to establish a positive credit record and potentially increase spending limits and credit scores. To qualify for SEZL Up, consumers must meet certain requirements, including paying off an order on time and verifying their account. SEZL collaborates with third-party lenders to offer long-term lending options to consumers for larger purchases, earning fees without taking on credit risk. The company continuously innovates and expands its product suite, including a recent partnership with a bank sponsor. SEZL's focus is on younger generations, particularly Gen Z and millennials, who are tech-savvy and socially conscious. SEZL's products, such as Pay-in-4 and SEZL Up, provide these consumers with financial flexibility, budgeting tools, and opportunities to build credit history, catering to their preferences for transparency and affordability in financial products. The platform offers merchants a unique and user-friendly experience, with easy integration and onboarding that allows most merchants to go live within a day. Merchants benefit from SEZL's network effects and increased access to consumers. SEZL provides a toolkit to merchants to help grow their businesses, including complimentary placement in its marketplace, paid placements, and incentives to grow sales. SEZL also facilitates access to working capital loans for eligible merchants through SEZL Capital. The platform's expansion is expected to enhance benefits for merchants, including integration into scaled e-commerce platforms and offering long-term lending and alternative installment options. SEZL's merchant base includes small to medium-sized businesses and enterprise merchants, with a focus on building out its value proposition to drive increased traffic and sales for its merchants. SEZL's business model is designed to align its success with the financial success of its merchants and consumers. The platform is generally free to consumers who pay on time, and revenue is primarily generated from merchant processing fees, partner revenue, and subscription revenue from consumers. Merchant processing fees are earned based on a percentage of gross merchandise volume plus a fixed fee per transaction and assumes all costs associated with consumer payment processing and credit risk. The company also generates revenue from subscription services, such as SEZL Premium and SEZL Anywhere, and consumer fees, including late payment fees and failed payment fees. SEZL states their approach is focused on transparency and fairness, with measures in place to support consumers who are experiencing financial difficulties. Their business model involves managing credit risk associated with allowing consumers to pay over time, absorbing costs of credit losses. A team of engineers and risk specialists oversee proprietary systems to identify potential fraud, assess credit risk, and assign spending limits. Sezzle believes its systems are effective in making real-time decisions and managing repayment risk. The company funds its products through a revolving credit facility and merchant account payables, allowing it to scale its business and drive growth. Sezzle's business also experiences seasonality, with stronger revenue and gross merchandise volume in the fourth quarter due to holiday shopping, accompanied by increased charge-offs. Competition in the payments industry primarily comes from digital payment providers, traditional credit cards, and other buy now, pay later (BNPL) products. The main competitors are Affirm, Afterpay, Klarna, PayPal's Pay Later, and Zip. Sezzle aims to differentiate itself by offering a simple, accessible, and consumer-friendly product, particularly for consumers with little to no credit history. The company faces intense competitive pressure on fees charged to merchants and may need to adjust pricing or offer incentives to stay competitive, which can impact growth and profitability. There are also risks related to fulfilling obligations under merchant agreements and potential termination or non-renewal of these agreements. For more on Sezzle and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.